Hey guys, good morning. I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. The rain that we had last night and early this morning has now moved on. So for the rest of this morning, we'll just have decreasing clouds gradually through the day. Maybe a sprinkle or two, but I think we're pretty much done with the rain. So high temperatures today still climbing into the 70s, right around 72 degrees. A bit cooler than it's been the last couple of days for us. Decreasing clouds for the day, winds out of the west about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now tonight the winds start to shift out of the north and eventually the northeast, and then tomorrow the east. And that should kind of cool us down a bit into the day Friday. It's going to be a much cooler day Friday. So in terms of the rain and the clouds moving out of here, especially through the afternoon, decreasing clouds. Partly cloudy skies tonight, and then tomorrow for Friday, could have a couple of showers developing in the morning and then a better chance of more widespread rain in the afternoon. Most of this rain on this computer model is mainly from Detroit and from I-96 into the north. We'll keep a close eye on that, but the bottom line is we'll have a pretty good chance of rain for later Friday afternoon. And then again, Saturday morning could have a couple of showers followed by more widespread rain and a few thunderstorms potentially Saturday afternoon. And Sunday morning, a few showers also possible for Mother's Day. But look at the temperature, 72 today. We dropped to 54 for Friday for tomorrow. So a cool breeze out of the east and northeast is going to keep temperatures much lower, it looks like. So kind of a chilly day, and then we rebound nicely back to the 60s Saturday, and then Sunday should start to feel much nicer with highs near 70 degrees. Next week we're drying out and warming back up into the upper 70s by Tuesday.